Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this shoe rack organizer from VTRIN. After 10 minutes of building, here's the final product. This also comes in two other colors, white or black and white. This is the black version. This comes with the metal hanger. This is what the exterior looks like. Nice finishing design. This structure is made out of metal, and this panel right here is made out of plastic. Overall, the shoe rack looks pretty nice. Let me open the doors to show you what it looks like inside. This not only can be used as a shoe rack, can also be used as a storage cabinet. This shoe rack is also fully customizable. These two top sections, you can place them one on each side if you wish. See? Now that looks pretty nice. These plastic panels are actually pretty strong. Here I'll be placing 6 pounds on top. As you can see, it's holding up pretty well. The maximum weight capacity for this unit as a whole is 25 pounds. Placing any more weight, there's a risk for it to collapse.